DEWALT built brushless motor for increased efficiency and runtime. Compact and ergonomic with only 5.5 head length and 2 pounds, tool only. Variable speed trigger for added control. Power tool type. Cordless. 3 LEDs provide visibility in dark areas of job site. Battery charger sold separately. The DCF890 and 3/8-inch impact wrench is compact and lightweight, allowing the tool to be utilized in tight areas, while the 3 LED lights provide visibility in low-lit areas. Plus, DEWALT impact wrench has a brushless motor for increased power, runtime and durability. 1. DCF890 20V compact impact wrench. Top reviews from the United States. Great addition, so happy I bought it. Works great and is surprisingly powerful. I have already used it more than I thought I would and can't believe it took me this long to buy one. Truly, it is a great tool and works well. Powerful enough for most DIY jobs. You won't be disappointed.